welcome back to my channel. So this is a makeup tutorial video and I'm wearing this pretty dress. So I'm gonna do a pretty look. I'm gonna explain every step and we'll try to make it very helpful. Yeah, let's get started. I did my eyebrows already and my eye base. Also, I have applied primer. I use primer from the Dermaco. So now we're gonna start with the eye makeup. And as I always say that I like doing eye makeup first. So for the eye makeup, I'm gonna use this palette from Mars. Ulti hai. Sorry. So this palette is from Mars, the City Paradise range. And this one is Dilwalo Ki Dilli. This is such a pretty palette. And just look at it. The theme. Everything is so good. Anyways, let me show you the shades. These are the shades. This is so pretty, like literally so pretty. And this also has the blush, contour, bronzer and highlighter. I'm loving it. Well, I'm not promoting this palette. This is my honest review. I'm gonna try it for the first time. I received it in PR but I haven't used it yet. So we're gonna go with the blues because of the dress. We're also gonna try these. I'm very excited. So first I'm gonna use this shade and the shade name is India Gate. Loving the names. Yeah, so we are using India Gate first. So for the crease area, you have to use the lightest shade. Also, if you are scared of doing eye makeup looks, you should always go for the brown shades because they are the safest options. So first, I apply the shade on the outer crease and then I'm gonna blend it. While blending, always try moving your brush. Like don't do blending in just one area. You have to move your brush. अच्छे से blend करना है. See? This is looking perfectly blended. So now I'm taking this blue shade named Yulu. इतने cute makeup products होते हैं ना तो मुझे ना खाने का मन करता है. So I have taken this blue shade on my brush. I have changed the brush. So for the crease, I was using this big blending brush and now I'm using this small one. ठीक है? So I'm gonna do the half smoky eye look with the shimmer. I'm placing this blue shade on the outer corner. Oh, this palette is very pigmented. Also, it's getting blended very smoothly. So, because it is half smoky, तो मैं ये पूरा आगे तक नहीं लेके जाऊंगी. मैं just अच्छे से इसको brown के साथ blend कर रही हूँ. I did the same on the other eye. It's already looking so pretty. So, for the half smoky eye, you have two options. You can either apply shimmer directly, like you can take the shimmer and apply it on this area, or you can apply concealer first and then the shimmer to give it a more defined kind of look. Today I'm gonna apply the concealer. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer. Also I'm using this brush for applying concealer. I'm taking the concealer. I apply concealer in the middle first. Then I look up. Here I get the point जिससे ऊपर मुझे नहीं जाना है. I'm very bad at explaining things, but अगर आप मुझे समझ पा रहे हो, you're a very good person. Okay, focus. Gonna give it this shape. I hope it is visible. Okay, so last में मैं इसको थोड़ा zigzag जैसा shape दे देती हूँ, because we have to make it look blended. हमें ऐसा चिपका हुआ आई मेकअप नहीं चाहिए. Okay? क्या वर्ड्स यूज कर रही हूँ यार मैं. Sorry. So now I'm gonna set it with a little loose powder. I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Gonna set it. अभी before applying the shimmer, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा blend करूँगी outer edges को. Now we're ready for the shimmer. So this is the shimmer shade. The shade name is Banta. Okay, so I'm applying it with my finger. मुझे shimmer shade हमेशा finger से apply करना अच्छा लगता है. Wow. Okay, I've taken this shade. Wow. So moving on with the eyeliner, I'm using this one from Nykaa. I used the same on my birthday. I like this color. Let's do a small wing. This is how it looks. Gonna do the same on the other eye. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. Ugh. Oh, mascara is also from Mars. So I don't apply mascara on my lower lash line. I said this in my previous video as well. So now I'm gonna do the base off camera. I'm gonna apply foundation and concealer and be right back. Ding. So I have applied Milani foundation and Swiss Beauty concealer. Also I have set it with loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. So मैंने contour वगैरह इसलिए नहीं किया because I wanted to try this on camera. Let's see. This is very dark and this is too light. So I'm mixing these two. Okay, wow. बहुत easily blend हो रहा है. I wish मेरी एक sculpted jawline होती. Gonna try the blush. The name is Kulfi Faluda. Nice. So this palette is very affordable. I mean, wow. So contouring my nose as well. Now I'm gonna apply the highlighter. So this highlighter is pink in shade. Can you see this? Okay, so we're gonna apply this. Okay, so for me, application of highlighter is the most satisfying part. Oh, can you see this? Applying it on nose as well. And I'm applying the same highlighter on my brow bone, also on the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm applying the false eyelashes. So always try to place your false eyelashes as much closer as you can to your natural lash line. मैंने बहुत टाइम से black smoky eyes नहीं किया. Next time वो करेंगे. मुझे ना सुकून से मेकअप करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इसलिए I prefer doing makeup at night only because उस टाइम पे मेरे को कोई disturb करने के लिए नहीं है. So we are gonna use the same blue shade on the lower lash line. Oh well, we can use this as well. Wait. Yeah, this will look good. So this eyeliner pencil is from My Glam and the shade name is Yes. So I'm just applying it. मेरी eyes बहुत जल्दी watery हो जाती हैं. Now we're just gonna blend it. Okay, look at my eyes now. Now we are quickly gonna do our lips. So you guys already know this is my favorite lip liner. Gonna line my lips first. I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick. This one is from Plum. This is the shade. Name क्या है? It's 1:1 Lycheelicious. Wow. मैं पहले सोच रही थी कि लिप ग्लॉस अप्लाई करूंगी, बट फॉर टुडेज मेकअप लुक आईज आर दी सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, तो मैं लिप्स को अटेंशन नहीं देना चाहती. सो नाउ आई एम गोना ओपन माय हेयर एंड गोना वेयर सम ज्वेलरी. या बी राइट बैक. tada! So this is the look. I just realized कि मुझे ज्वेलरी वाला शूट करना है, तो मैं वो अभी नहीं पहन सकती हूँ. Anyways, ऐसे भी अच्छा दिख रहा है. This palette is so good. Like it's very affordable. Okay, I need to give some beauty shots. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment down below and I'm gonna reply. Oh, I'm loving my lips. Yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.